Hello everybody. We are back in Real Farm. I have been busy since the last time you guys have since I've last had you guys on. As you can see, I'm at almost 30 days of in-game play and up to 124,000. But that's because we now own the farm. Really, that we need to do is save up. Well, I'll show you after we get in here. Okay, as you can see, we are now at basically $1 million debt from the bank because we now own the farm. Field 1, 4, and 5 is ours. I've been running around doing the missions for the 4 farmers that are remaining, and they're pretty much maxed out, such as they're happy with all the work I've been doing with them. But as for the financial standpoint, we're in debt because I went ahead and took out the biggest loan I could to pay for the farm. And so now we're getting ready to go to the shop and get this tractor, which I'm going to go ahead and buy it. This plow. This cultivator, aka chisel plow. And that still leaves us with roughly 30,000, so we'll go ahead and get the planter. I'm not going to do anything with the sprayer yet, and we'll get a water tank. And let's see. I think that's it for now that I can afford. Well, I'll bring you guys back whenever I get over to the shop. Okay, we are now here at the dealership. Well, I'm going to do a time lapse of taking everything over to the farm, and after we get everything over there, then I'll bring you guys back. people, we are now back at the farm with all of our equipment, as you can see probably in the time lapse. Thought I went ahead and stopped and got some seed and fertilizer. Let me get everything filled up here. I'm going to run around to the 4 remaining farmers real fast and find out which ones have like probably a cultivating job or a watering job or something real small to do, so we can make some more money. So I'll bring you guys back after I decide which one to do before we work our own fields, because there's still at least one more piece of equipment that needs to be gotten before we start working our own, and that's at least the fertilizer. Well, fertilizer and a sprayer, which most likely I'll just rent a sprayer because it's not that expensive. But like I said, I'm going to run around to the 4 farmers that I do jobs for, and then I will bring you guys back after I decide which one to do.